What's up everyone? Today I'm back with another video with the Ender 3 3D printer, and I'm going to talk about some of the problems I've been having, so let's get in on it. Alright, so in my first video I went over, how to kind of set up your Ender 3 and, well, not really set it up, but selecting the correct profile and how to get a successful first print down. Don't touch the bed, don't get your finger oil on that, make sure it's level, all that kind of stuff. But I've progressed since then, printed a few more things, and finding a little bit more issues and cool things out about the printer. So I went ahead, printed a filament guide for my Hatchbox filament. Printed another filament guide right here, as you can see. Yeah, got some artifacts going on there. Just your normal 3D printer problems. However, I think I attributed it to walking around my room. When I'm walking, it really does affect the printer quality, I've noticed. So I went ahead and printed a Benchy, I believe is my third print, and let's take a look at how it turned out. So it did turn out pretty well, not super incredible, but not super horrible. The one thing that really stuck out to me is, if you notice the little smokestack, if you want to call it, I don't know, at the top here, it's not really a circle, it's more or less an oval. As you can tell, it's the same down here. So I did print this, I did scale it up and print this. That might be why there's some gaps here. I know it's supposed to be printed at 1:1 scale, but I did not find that out until after I created this. But this showed me a new problem that I've been having. My X-axis tension belt is actually under tensioned. When these arrive as a kit, your Y belt, right here, it is all set up for you. However, that X one you have to do yourself. So when I was doing this myself, I didn't do it very tight, and I just tightened it up right now. So that really stuck out to me, So make sure this is really tight. So I even tried printing a belt tensioner, which I think is somewhere around here. Alright, so I did some looking. I couldn't find the whole thing for some reason because I have short-term memory loss, but I did find some components that highlight the issue I was having. So you can tell on this little bearing bushing part, it's not circle. Yeah, it's an oval, so that doesn't work. And also the little threaded screw cap they give you, to tighten your belt right there. Guess what? Doesn't screw because it's you're right, an oval. So yeah, just take note of that. When you're setting your printer up, make sure that's tight, like pretty tight, because this is really tight. However, you do that one yourself, and you got to make sure that one's tight. So I tried printing this, to make it tighter, but the problem kind of showed itself while I was trying to solve that problem in itself. Again, I did print these I guess vibratory dampening feet, to prevent some shock between me walking around the floor, but it also really does reduce the noise. And I'm also planning on getting some stepper motor dampers as well. You can go around YouTube, find other people who did the test. It obviously reduces noise, makes it a lot quieter. Everybody knows that it works. So yeah, here's an update for you. If you have any more questions about using your Ender 3 and make sure you're printing circles, let me know. Thanks for watching. Also, hold up, I forgot to mention one final thing. I did print, yes, the little circular fan guard. Just type in Ender 3 fan on Thingiverse, you'll find it. So what I've been noticing is, yeah, my printer may have not been printing in the best of quality, but I think I'm gonna go put on the stock one and print the Pet's Fang fan housing that replaces this. So I might just go back, put my original on one right now. I think I get better airflow out of that anyways. This one I think the print quality just isn't too good, so I'm gonna change that. But besides that, I'll keep you posted on the printed upgrades I'm making, and maybe in the next video I'll show hopefully a better Benchy at 1:1 scale with a circle smokestack instead of a oval. Alright, catch you next time.